Hey, what's up guys? So this is the reviewer A5. I'm back with another product. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. So now, the other day I was looking for my Bluetooth and it doesn't have the earpiece. Then I had one Bluetooth was thicker than another Bluetooth, so I couldn't use the thick one, so I brought it back to the store. So I got two Bluetooths just like this. They're both pretty much the same size. I brought back the other one, and I was saying to myself, what happens if I buy another Bluetooth and the ear hook breaks or something like that? So I decided to buy a little kit that comes with different sizes, because you never know what size the Bluetooth. They don't make them all the same way. So it comes in a little small box just like this. In my description there will be a link and where to buy, and I think it's worth it to buy, especially if you use different Bluetooths, or if you decide to buy another one and that hook break, you got to buy another hook, and they're pretty expensive. The only problem is that when you buy it, you get 6 of the same size, or you get 10 of the same size. So sometimes those same size, you change your Bluetooth and now you can't use them, and you throw them out. So now they came out with changeable sizes, and that's pretty cool. So it comes in a little container just like this. Okay, and it's pretty cool. So let me show you a little bit about it. Like I said, in my description there will be a link and where to buy this, and I think it's worth it to buy, especially if you break a lot of hooks. So it comes just like that. You have 3 ear loops hooks. Okay, you come with to put over the Bluetooth and put it in your ear. So basically, one of these. Nice, new, so it can be replaced. The hook. And it is back. So perfect. And you get 3 of these. Okay, because it is tiring of buying hooks. Now the catch of this that is so awesome is that the hook changes itself. So what I mean, make believe you buy a bigger Bluetooth, that this part right here where the speaker's at is thick. No worries, it breaks. Okay, now this part right here where it hooks up to the speaker itself, you'll take it out. Boom, it's out. So make believe is bigger. You put this one in and it's bigger. It will not work for this one because it's too small. See, it's too much moving. Very nice. So what about if it's smaller? Snap it out. Push this one in and you'll have a smaller one. This one does not fit here. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool, and that it gives you 3 of them that you can replace that part right there. That's pretty cool, because I got 2 of them or 3 of them here. This is broken. Now I can match and have the right size. Well, if you have any question whatsoever about these hooks, comment below and I'll answer you. Usually quickly, if not, a few minutes later. And it comes with different size. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 little hooks. Perfect. Well, like I said, take your time to like and subscribe. And put your notification on. Check out my giveaways. Thanks for taking your time for watching this. This product right here, it's very smart Very smart, because I'm tired of buying these little hooks. Tired. So you have every size in one. No more breaking other ones to fix it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Well, in my description, there will be a link of what to buy. Thanks for watching.